Gingerly.
Thanks for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
So could you just start by reminding us what PFAS chemicals are?
Sure, so PFAS actually stands for a large everywhere, so they end up in the water supply. Here, Sarah Burns' other lens. It's called SIX, or Suspended Ion Exchange. It removes things like decayers are already paying for it. It's expected to cost $200 million, and it's part of a larger infrastructure improvement plan that the city council already approved. So their water bills will be increasing every October until 2040. That said, city officials do point out that the technology will actually save the department nearly $1.5 million a year.
And how will it save that?
Well, installing this SIX system means they'll use less chemicals and filters. Sarah Burns said if they weren't using this, they'd have to otherwise go through double the filters. Plus, getting the organic matter out of the water early on in the treatment process.
They were able in feudal times to have extended families who they considered blood, even though they were non-blood relations, and that's how the families grew bigger and bigger and more powerful. And what is a mafia? It's a mafia family, and it's basically just an extension. The Gambinos were a perfect example of how one family unit became this giant. The bosses and underbosses who were with
Must be committed, or they must know that it is going to be committed. And
oh, and looks like they're towing away 2 or 3 cars.
I like to think I make up with my effort and moves. So you think you're a good dancer? No, people respect it a little bit. But you think people look at it and go, this guy's tough.